Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of digital marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about artificial intelligence, AI. Oh my goodness, that's been a real big buzz thing for the past going on 8 or 9 months or so. And today we're going to talk about some ideas on how you can use artificial intelligence to grow your business. So, let's dive in. Think about somebody going to your website 24/7, 365. Your website gives you a global presence. They may not be able to get the answers they're looking for because you may be asleep, you may be away from the computer, you may be serving another customer. This is where one of those nice chat bots that pops up on the bottom of the screen can be of service. We're starting to see a lot of those, and they're really not expensive depending on who's building your website. In some cases, even with a company like Wix, no personal endorsement, just a company that I happen to enjoy, you have the ability to build a chat bot into your website. Somebody can ask you a question and it gets filtered directly to you. So it gives you a feeling of being able to serve your customer 24/7 and a feeling of immediate help, immediacy for your customer. A chatbot can also help you qualify leads, a short survey that asks a couple of questions, maybe about geography or their personal taste, maybe about a budget. This way you're not spending time and the customer's not spending time trying to make a connection if the stars just aren't aligning. So use the AI tool to serve as a screening component to help you weed out those that aren't going to be the best fit for you. Your customers will appreciate that and you'll appreciate the time savings as well. It can also help you personalize interactions. It'll gather information, it'll tell you more about the customer, what's important to them. So when you do sit down for a strategy session or somebody comes into your store for an appointment or you get somebody on the phone, you have an opportunity to have a very granular discussion, not something that's vanilla, and you don't have to waste time saying things like, well, tell me about yourself and tell me about your interest. You can dive right in. Time is important to your customer. And lastly, you can also use a chatbot to help you schedule appointments. Facebook even has these right now. How nice would it be for you to wake up in the morning and see an appointment book already set up? If somebody's engaging with your brand or they want to learn more or they've gotten the information they need from the videos you have on your website or the content they've engaged with on your blog or even some of the material that's on social media, they can click to book that 10:15 to 11 o'clock appointment and they never had to call anybody. It saves you the time of having to have somebody physically sitting there on the phone. Don't get me wrong, there's value in having that. But after hours, think about this. Your technology working for you while you sleep, that's a real win. If you like short lessons like this, do me a favor. Go down below and click the like button as well as subscribe and let me know if there's something you want to cover. You can reach me at my website, themarketingprofessor.net, and all the social places online. And our new Marketing Professor Discord community, it's growing rapidly. I'd love your feedback on items you want to cover. You can share your ideas. I've got an abundance of digital marketing resources that I've collected over the years. You're more than welcome to have them. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.